This exercise is going to be using mindfulness to help build some self-worth or appreciation and just feel some gratitude for ourselves today. And this can be helpful if you've been having a rough day or rough week, or have gotten some hard criticism lately, or just in general if you're sort of feeling confused about things to appreciate about yourself. And this helps to kind of build some of that up. So to start, take a seat with your feet flat on the floor and your hands in your lap, and sit up tall so that it's easy to breathe and you have a straight spine with your neck and head reaching towards the ceiling. Take a moment to notice your breath, not trying to change it, just feeling the inhale and the exhale. And it helps to have your eyes closed for this exercise, but if you want to keep them open, that's okay too. Just keep your gaze down so you're less distracted. So bring into your mind's eye the image of a garden, and see yourself entering this garden through a gate at the front. And you walk through the gate and close it behind you and start following a path through the garden. Notice all the trees and flowers around you. Maybe there's birds chirping or the sun shining, just kind of creating a very peaceful, beautiful garden to be wandering through. And then as you follow the path, you start hearing the sound of water, and you come upon a stream. And as you follow the stream, it leads to a pond. And the pond is very still, so you can see a reflection in it. And imagine sitting by the pond and looking into the water so that you can see your reflection. And take a moment to just look at yourself and really see you. And now imagine telling yourself some good qualities about yourself, some things that you really appreciate or feel that you do well or that benefit other people. And just watch yourself saying these things and feel what it's like to hear those things from yourself. And now try to identify something that you've accomplished recently. And then tell your reflection how you accomplished this thing and how you feel you did a good job with it. And then when you're finished, give yourself some gratitude or thank yourself for having this interaction, this conversation, and taking a moment to recognize the things that you appreciate. And when you're ready, you can imagine yourself standing up, saying goodbye to your reflection in the pond, and then following the path along the stream back to the garden. And just again noticing the trees and flowers in the garden as you slowly walk along the path back to the gate. And when you're ready to leave the garden, open the gate and walk through it and close it behind you. And as you do that, feel yourself kind of gaining awareness for your surroundings wherever you are sitting. And bring your attention back to your breathing and feeling your body sitting here. And check in with yourself to just notice if anything feels different. It's okay if it doesn't, but just notice if anything feels different, your body or your breathing, or how you're feeling about yourself or about today. And then when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And just know that this exercise and these things about you are always there for you if you want to return to them. Thank you for doing this exercise with me today, and try practicing it on your own. I hope it's helpful. Take care.